Oh man, I feel better.
Do your hands. Do your hands.
Oh. Yes. I wonder when he's gonna laugh about it. Oh, now we gotta pick her nose.
Oh. You do it. You do it.
I think that,
He's done.
Are you done?
So for right now.
Hey, Cass, are you done? Can you tell me, hey, woo, where did you go?
Cass.
Can you tell me bye-bye?
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Can you tell me bye-bye?
See you later. Hang on, he wants to try to do flip. See you later. Oh.
His face smacked that.
Yeah.
Cass.
Cass, look at Daddy, you sacco.
The back of your head's pretty, but it's not as pretty as your face.
Here. What do you need to tell Daddy? See you later.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.
Bye.